Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tamim Khalid Al Ahmed. I will speak about mobile databases. I will discuss the meaning of mobile database and mobile computing, why mobile database, fully connected information space, problems in mobile computing architecture, characteristic of mobile environment, types of data in mobile applications of mobile computing, existing mobile databases, and conclusions. What is mobile database? A mobile database is a database that can be connected to by a mobile computing device over a wireless mobile network. Mobile databases physically separate from the central database server, resided on mobile devices capable of communicating with a central database server or other mobile clients from remote sites, handle local queries without connectivity. Why mobile databases? Mobile data-driven applications enable us to access any data from anywhere, anytime. Example, salespersons can update sales records on the move, and also reporters can update news database anytime, and also doctors can retrieve patients' medical history from anywhere. Mobile DBMS are needed to support these applications' data processing capabilities. What is mobile computing? Users with portable computers still have network connections while they move. Mobile computing is an umbrella term used to describe technologies that enable people to access network services any place, anytime, and anywhere. Fully connected information space. This is a diagram show the fully connected information space. In fully connected information space, each node of the information space has some communication capability. Some node can process information. Some node can communicate through voice channel. Some node can do both. Can be created and maintained by integrating legacy database system and wired and wireless system. Problems in mobile computing. There are a number of hardware and software problems that must be resolved before the capabilities of mobile computing can be fully utilized. Some of the software problems, which may involve data management, transaction management, and data recovery, have their origins in distributed database systems. But in mobile computing, the problems are more difficult, mainly because of the limited and inerrant connectivity afforded by wireless communications, the limited life of the power supply, the changing topology of the network. In addition, mobile computing introduces new architectural possibilities and challenges. Mobile computing architecture. This is a diagram show the general architecture of a mobile platform. The general architecture of a mobile platform is a distributed architecture where a number of computers, generally referred to as fixed host and base stations, are interconnected through a high-speed wired network. Fixed hosts are generally purpose computers that are not typically equipped to manage mobile units but can be configured to do so. Base stations function as gateways to the fixed network for the mobile units. They are equipped with wireless interfaces and offer network access services, of which mobile units are clients. In mobile databases architecture, we have client-server mobile databases. This client-server model is the traditional model of information system. It is the dominant model for existing mobile databases. The server can become a single point of failure and performance bottleneck. Even storing data on a cluster of machines to backup central database might cause performance bottleneck and data inconsistency. And also we have peer-to-peer mobile databases. In peer-to-peer mobile databases, the database maintenance activity are distributed among clients. Every process plays part of the role of the server besides its client role. A client that wants to access a piece of data sends a request to other peer clients and they forward the request until the data is found. The major problem in this model is ensuring the availability of data. Characteristic of mobile environment. The characteristic of mobile computing include high communication latency, intermittent wireless connectivity, limited battery life, and changing client location. About the latency, latency is caused by the process unique to the wireless medium, such as coding data for wireless transfer and tracking and filtering wireless signals at the receiver. And for the intermittent connectivity can be international or uninternational. Uninternational disconnections happen in areas where wireless signals cannot reach, elevator shafts or subway tunnels. International disconnections occur by user intent during an airplane takeoff or when the mobile device is powered down. And about the battery life is directly related to battery size and indirectly related to the mobile device's capabilities. And for the client locations are expected to change, which alters the network topology and may cause their data requirements to change. All these characteristics impact data management, and robust mobile applications must consider them. Types of data in mobile applications. Mobile applications can be categorized in two ways: vertical applications and horizontal applications. In vertical applications, users access data within a specific cell, and access is denied to users outside of that cell. For example, users can obtain information on the location of doctors or emergency centers within a cell or parking availability data at an airport cell. In horizontal applications, users cooperate on accomplishing a task and they can handle data distributed throughout the system. The horizontal application market is massive. Two types of applications most mentioned are mail-enabled applications and information services to mobile users. Data may be classified into three categories: the private data. And the private data, a single user owns this data and manages it. No other users may access it. And the second one is public data. This data can be used by anyone who can read it. Only one source updates it. Examples include weather's positions or stock prices. The third one, shared data. This data is accessed both in read and write modes by groups of users. Examples include inventory data for products in a company. Applications of mobile computing for estate agents, in courts, in companies, stock information collection or control, credit card verification, taxi or truck dispatch, electronic mail or paging. Existing mobile databases, Sybase SQL Anywhere, Oracle Lite, Microsoft SQL Server Compact, SQLite, IBM DB2 Everyplace. And in conclusion, we speak about mobile database and mobile computing, and we discuss them. And I hope everyone get benefit about these topics. And the mobile computing platform allows users to establish communication with others users and to manage their work while they are mobile. This feature is especially useful to geographical dispersed organizations. Portable computing devices coupled with wireless communications allow clients to access data from virtual anywhere and anytime. And we discuss also about the problems and the types. And that's what I have about mobile database. And this is the references. And thanks for everyone.